The sin of swirling. Now you pretend that you do not know when you are making love with a chimera. That's chimera. It's a sin and it's a provocation of your creator. It's like a vampire. They steal your soul. They entice you, tempt you, and they make you into one of them. Now I've heard FBA who say that they went to Africa and they forget that they are black. They're just a man. So here in the US, we have knowledge of ourselves. When they go to Africa, they lose that knowledge. We are forced to have knowledge of who we are. That's why we know we are black here. And then there was someone by the name Ivy say that they don't see the harm, they don't know what harm interracial marriage or romance or whatever that is does to black people. Well, she's deaf, dumb, and blind then if she don't know. Because sex and procreation is the foundation of who we are. Even Ellen White, who was one of the founders of the Seventh-day Adventists, say the biggest sin was the amalgamation of man and animals. See? And then there was another Israelite, I think, in Redirection, and she was saying that the only reason why she's against swirling is because of the words of the Bible. It's not in the heart. It was not written in the heart. So the laws are not written in the heart. The laws have to be written in our hearts. So we know who we are. Those people, especially a lot of them are non-FBA, not foundational black Americans. They are non-FBA. They are not of us. Let them stay where they are. But they have provoked the Creator already. And punishment is coming upon them. Has come upon them. Not because I say so, it's because of the law. The law is written in my heart. To know the truth that will set you free. You're under God's spell. You have to be broken out of the God spell. Seeing you see not, hearing you hear not. Otherwise you will hear and see and be saved. You're looking at them and do not realize what you are looking at. There's a spiritual invasion among us. I'm always being attacked spiritually, but I've defeated them. Oh yeah, you'll be tested and tempted. There's a spirit out there, a wicked spirit, evil spirit. But it can't get the best of me. I defeat them at every time. And they will tempt you and test you. Spirit of death itself. But people can do what they enjoy doing, but the word still have to be out there. The word still have to be put out. The truth have to be put out. Otherwise, I'd be responsible for not telling the truth as I see it. So open up your eyes. Get out of that hypnotic spell, that God spell. Get out of it, that wickedness, and set us free. Set our mind free, our souls free, our spirits free, and so it is.